For the sake of protocol, word Porter, when I speak, I don't pause. Speak of pick and my pockets don't leak. Baholo bareke khwafela kana ke khwala khala ina ke betla pokoke once poetry is laid in my hands, I poetize its poem ability to converse and tell tales of my names. See, I used to lie awake at night as though I've been poisoned by lavatory side. You'd hear me singing lullabies to my lacks in life. If life was a person, I'd say, but the man was the one hands. For I used to whisper fairness into the ears of life, but all I could hear was the sounds and screams of my consciousness, causing every part of my body to jump up and down, causing every part of my body to jump up and down. I blame it on the man who, when he heard I was on my way, he ran and never looked back. On his black back, he was carrying a bag filled with envelope. He used to go sounding funny, I don't care. That man, if he was alive, I would tell him. For I might have been made through one night stand, but instead of making love, he made it Guadefananami instead. Uzabatina Mama, look, I said I speak of Pikate, Moremo Holo Hobeta, what our Lama